Hi everyone! One of the features that makes our spectrometers really flexible is the possibility to change between different slits. Let's see how this is done. The slits are color-coded so you can know which slit is mounted in your spectrometer. In this case, the blue dot refers to a slit with a width of 10 microns. The slit is placed in the fiber optic coupler, and to change it, you just need to use these two fixation screws. Notice that there's a pin that ensures that the holder can only enter in one position. Insert the new slit, pushing the holder until the end, and fix it using the existing screws. It couldn't be any easier. Finally, go to LightScan software, turn it on, and go to the Setup drop-down. There, please select Slit and choose the new slit. In this case, 200 microns. This will adjust the calibration parameters to the new slit, and you're ready to go. Cheers!